Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to model a star column. I learned this in a very bad situation and it was so hard for me, but now I want to share this with you and we are going to learn how we can create a star column and how we can control it so we use it in our project. Let's get started. Go to families, create new family and select this column family here. First of all, we need to set our unit. Its shortcut is UN. We are going to create our column in this area, but we need other reference lines to control our section. Click on reference line and create one here, one here, one here, and one here. These are for our flange. Select your reference line and create two reference lines here, which is our web, these and these. Now we need other reference lines, but if we draw reference lines again, this area will be messy. So go to create, select your reference line and just create new reference line with clicking here. Give it a name and color. You can also change its weight and its pattern. Okay, now create another reference line here and another one here and here. Okay, now we need to control these lines. Go to your annotation, select aligned. Let's start with here, with this part. Click on this reference line and then middle line and then this one. Make them equal. Create another one for here. And just do this for this area, this part as well. Click here, here, here. Make them equal and create one for here. Now, select this and this dimension. Create a parameter for them. Let's call it web 1. Okay. Now, let's create other annotations for controlling the thickness of our flange. Create one here, one here, one here, and another one here. Now select all of them and let's call them flange. Now we need to control these red lines. Select this one and the center line and other line. Make them equal and create another one for this. And do the same for the other side. Make them equal and okay. Create parameters for these two annotations. Let's call them Each star column is made of different plates. We have a plate for its body, which is from this side to this side, and we have two little plates here, one in this side, one here, and four little plates in each side of these bodies. So basically we need to draw rectangles. Go to create and select extrusion, select rectangle. Let's start with our body. You can use these snaps. Let's use them. But don't forget to lock all of the lines. Here, here, these, and these. Okay? You need to finish this rectangle and then start others. Hit finish. Before you do anything, go to left view and just lock your rectangle with upper level. So select it and you can drag it to upper level, and lock it. This is the left view of our column, and in here we are working on its section. So again, go to create, select extrusion, select rectangle, and draw a rectangle in this side. Lock all of them. Okay, because they are separated, you can draw it here without finishing this one. Okay, lock. This way it's a bit hard, but you can see that we have two locks here. Make sure you lock all of them. So hit finish, go to left view, and it's here. Just drag it to upper level. Make sure it's the upper level and lock it. We have 4 other plates here in each side of these plates, and we can draw them all together. Select rectangle, create one here, lock it, another one here, lock it, in this side, lock it, it's here, and in this side, hit finish. Go to left view and drag this to upper level and lock it. So yes, this is our column. Let's test it. All 4 of them are working together. And now let's save this and test it in a project. Create new project. Go back to your family and load your family to this project. This is our column here. We can change everything about this. We can change its height. We can change its dimensions. Yes, that's it. I hope this video was useful for you and you enjoyed watching it. And if you want to learn Revit, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.